this experiment, the basics of inelastic collisions are studied using the example of a pendulum. In inelastic collisions of two bodies, part of the available energy is converted into internal energy of the bodies. This can happen by heating or deforming the bodies. For example, the car body damage in a collision of vehicles. We consider inelastic collisions using the example of the pendulum, which is still one of the most accurate instruments for determining the acceleration due to gravity. There are two parallel pendulums with spheres of different masses, the large one with 2.1 kg and the small one with 0.11 kg. First, determine the period of oscillation of the pendulum by measuring the time for 10 full oscillations 5 times. The horizontal deflection of the pendulum should not be greater than about 40 centimeters. To study the inelastic collision, attach modeling clay to the large sphere in such a way that the deflected small sphere hits the center of the modeling clay and attaches to it. Due to that, both spheres and the modeling clay swing together after the inelastic collision. The impact velocity of the small sphere is varied by changing the height of fall. 3, 4, 5 and 6 centimeters. Depending on the height of fall of the small sphere, the maximum deflection of the two spheres together with the modeling clay is measured after the central collision. You can use the sliding elements for help. Finally, measure the mass of the modeling clay and note down the length of the string of the pendulum. By measuring the period of oscillation, the acceleration due to gravity can be calculated. From the height of fall and the speed of the small sphere, you can calculate how fast the common system of both spheres is after the inelastic collision. This can be compared with the measured speed of the two masses after the collision.